with where, using nouns, pronouns, verbs, and prepositions. We will practice saying both the question and the answer out loud in order to strengthen your conversational skills. Let's do number 1 together. The question word is where. For this question, we are going to use the helping verb do. The noun is going to be kings. And the verb or verbs are going to be go and relax. It's important to know when you have two verbs that are together that you use the word to in between them. So for this blank, we are going to fill in go to relax. Where do kings go to relax? Now for the answer, the pronoun is going to be they, because we're talking about kings. The verb or verbs are going to be go to relax. The preposition is going to be at. And the object of the preposition is going to be the theater. They go to relax at the theater. Now I'm going to read the question, and then you're going to repeat after me. Then I'll read the answer, and you will have the opportunity to repeat the answer for practice. Where do kings go to relax? They go to relax at the theater. Number 2. The question word is where. For this question, we are going to use the helping verb does. The pronoun is she. The verb is place. And the noun is the ring. Where does she place the ring? For the answer, the pronoun is going to be she. The verb is going to be place, but we're going to add an S at the end of place to make it places. The object is going to be the ring. The preposition is going to be inside. And the object of the preposition is going to be the jewelry box. She places the ring inside the jewelry box. Now I will read the question, you will repeat it, and I will also read the answer and you will have the opportunity to repeat that as well. Where does she place the ring? She places the ring inside the jewelry box. Number 3. Where is the question word? The linking verb is do. The subject is they, and the verb is sing. The question is, where do they sing? The subject of this sentence is they. The verb is sing. The preposition is outside. And the object of the preposition is the cathedral. They sing outside the cathedral. Now let's say it out loud. I will read the question, you will repeat it, and then I will read the answer and you will have a chance to repeat it. Where do they sing? They sing outside the cathedral. All right, number 4. The question word is where. The helping verb is do. The noun is birds. The verb is like and take. So remember, what do you do when you have two verbs that are together? The correct answer is to put the word to, T-O, in between the two verbs. Like to take. And the noun is baths. The question is, where do birds like to take baths? The answer would be taking the noun from the sentence, which is birds. Notice how I capitalize the sentence as well. Every sentence should start with a capital. Then the verb, we're going to look for the verb or the verbs, like to take. The noun is baths. The preposition is in. And the object of the preposition is the fountain. Notice how I had the word fountain and I added the fountain to this sentence. Let's go ahead and say the answer out loud. Birds like to take baths in the fountain. All right, now I'm going to read the question and then I'll read the answer. You will have the opportunity to repeat after I say each sentence. Where do birds like to take baths? Birds like to take baths in the fountain. Number 5. The question word is where. For this sentence, we will be using the helping verb does. The noun is grandmother. And the verb or verbs are like and knit. Remember, when you have two verbs together, you're going to put the word to in between the verbs. Like to knit, and the noun is going to be sweaters. Where does grandmother like to knit sweaters? The answer would start off with the pronoun. The pronoun is going to be she because we're describing grandmother. The verb or verbs are like, to knit. When you're answering a question, you're going to add an S at the end of the verb. She likes to knit. Instead of saying she like to knit, the correct answer would be she likes to knit. The preposition is going to be on, and the object of the preposition is going to be the rocking chair. She likes to knit on the rocking chair. Now you're going to have an opportunity to repeat the question and the answer after I say it. Where does grandmother like to knit sweaters? She likes to knit on the rocking chair. Number 6. The question word is where. The helping verb that we are going to use for this sentence is does. The noun is going to be Joe. The verb is going to be knockout. And the noun or object of the sentence is going to be boxer. You're going to write the boxer. Where does Joe knock out the boxer? In order to answer this question correctly, we're going to start with a pronoun. The pronoun is going to be he, which describes Joe. He. The verb is going to be knock out. Or knocks out. The object is going to be the boxer. The preposition is going to be in front of. And the object of the preposition is going to be the boxing gym. He knocks out the boxer in front of the boxing gym. Now I will say the question and the answer, and you will have the opportunity to repeat after I say each sentence. Where does Joe knock out the boxer? He knocks out the boxer in front of the boxing gym. Number 7. The question word is where. The helping verb for this sentence will be does. The noun is the thief. The verb is hide. The noun or the object of the sentence is the knife. Where does the thief hide the knife? To answer this question correctly, we'll start with the pronoun he, which refers to the thief. The verb is going to be hides. The object is the knife. The preposition is under. And the object of the preposition is the bush. He hides the knife under the bush. Now you'll have an opportunity to repeat after me. Where does the thief hide the knife? He hides the knife under the bush.